Good morning, party people. The sun is coming up. It is time to rise and shine and get this day cracking. In today's video, I was with Dan the man. Woke up early in the morning. He had loaned his vehicle to someone and it wouldn't start. So we went, troubleshot that, figured out what was wrong with that car. Then I continued my day, rolled into Chicago and helped someone check out their AC and a couple other little things on their vehicle and called it a day. So didn't do a whole lot, but did get a few things done and make some clips. So hopefully you folks can learn a little bit too. Got a lot going on today, so I'm gonna get cracking, get in my exercise and continue on with life in Robertville. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks. A 2000 V70R. They call this Venetian blue?
Is that the right one? Hold on a minute. Is that the right key? Yeah, must be.
They call this Venetian blue?
No, this one is
laser blue.
Yes. Yeah.
Look at it. And the nice thing about it is it is 5-speed manual front-wheel drive conversion. Woo-wee!
With limited slip.
With the LSD. Dan the man's latest project completed on the road. We are about to go for a ride. This car is harder to find than my yellow wagon. Very rare Volvo. It's just made the icing on the cake with the I don't know if there's another 5-speed laser blue V70R in the country. So if this one ever comes up for sale, take Dan's temperature and bid high. Here it is, folks. The 2024 edition of the Volvo Dan the Man V70R. Whoo, man, that thing looks better than the new car. Look at the wheels, proposes. Yes, sir. Got to keep them P80s going. He won an award yesterday at the car show for the best looking engine bay. And we ain't even seen that today. We are here with Dan's Saffron. And we're troubleshooting it.
Nothing.
And we don't have any fuel coming out of the fuel rail.
Now we check for
fuel pump relay. We could jump that. And if we still don't get no fuel with that jump, we'll have to tap the tank to get the pump going and drive it home until we get the pump replaced. We can always leave them another blue cart.
leave the blue one. Man, we don't drive a stick. So.
Oh well, we don't have to do that.
I told him, I said that XC90's fair game.
Really?
Yeah, because Colin said he's got a license, so.
He what? Oh, he's not driving right now?
It's in our driveway. He's driving the black V70R.
The one that you tried to get him to keep?
Yeah. That's the only one that's reliable.
All right, so we got a situation here, people. And the situation is a lot of people don't know basic terminology when it comes to car parts, car troubleshooting, what's a car doing, what's a car not doing. So I'm gonna make a video with basic, I would say proper or common car terms that everyone needs to know. But in the meantime, we're gonna put a jump wire in this fuel pump relay slot, turn the key on and see if we get fuel pressure up here.
It'd be nice if it was that. Now which one is it? Which two is it, bro?
The one in the middle, front and back.
Okay, so I gotta turn one of these.
Dan's got him a professional jump wire. Woo woo. Kicking off the Tinker Day. You don't even got to try to start it. You just turn the key on, and we'll see if we get fuel pressure up here. Where's the screwdriver at? I don't hear the fuel pump. No fuel. I'm gonna go tap on the bottom of the fuel tank where the pump is located to see if I can get the pump to kick on. Now the fuel pump on these all-wheel drive cars are on the passenger side, down here on the floor, under this seat. So I'm gonna reach under there and bang on that, see if we can get it to fire up. So I reached down here, heard no sound. I hit this tank one time, and now I hear the pump going. So now it might keep running when he hits the starter. He's gonna hit the starter. There it is. It's running. May not run long, which it didn't, it died again. So when you started it, it died. So I should have hit it again to start it back up. So let's try that. All right, leave it there. Let them see it kick on. There it is. Sound like it's still running this time. Sometimes when you hit the starter, it cuts the pump off in that cycle, but I hear it still running now. That don't mean it won't die, but that lets you know it's the fuel pump issue. It is still running. We got about 3, maybe 4 miles to drive, so that pump should still run as long as it's not cut off. So right now, we're at 618.6, and let's see where it's at. We've driven about a mile so far. Got a little car show going, a saffron and a laser blue. Man, if we had a yellow wagon in this gravy train, it'd be perfect. Perfect! First stop in the Chi-Town area was to grab a few parts. Second stop, this 850. We are going to check the AC, replace this corner light, and do a few other things. Trying to get it right. Let me see if there's any pressure in this AC system. It has refrigerant in there, folks, so we might be good. Let me try to run it. I cut the system on, and it is short cycling. So it's low on refrigerant. I'm gonna add a can and see how it acts. 1/2 a can of refrigerant, and the compressor is staying engaged. So we're probably okay. I'm going to dump this can in here and check the temperature inside. We got about 90 degrees on our thermometer here. We're gonna stick this in the vent and see where that puppy comes down to. It's down to 80. It's down to 70. It's down to 60. If you could get 50 on a car that's stationary, you're doing very good. But I think we're doing good. We're under 60. Turn the fan all the way up. Man, this is cold in here. We're about 52. It just dropped a condensation off of there. Let me check these metal ducts here. Yeah, we're hovering around 58. That should be good. When she starts moving, it'll get colder than that. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna get rolling. Got a lot of stuff to do, and I appreciate your support. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.